place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part.
Hey my loves, welcome back here. This is Shake My Love and start a day with me. Now you all know I work from home 80%. In most cases I'm home. Now I always reach out for my music before I start my work. I'm always working, so I always use that flip 6 that you've seen there, but I can accompany it with my Errands Uganda. Now currently I've been loving berry flavor. All their flavors are good, but I'm a person who is fighting calories, like calorie intake, and I always reach out for berries. And previously I've been loving it. I used to take apple a lot, but yeah, now I have 2 of my favorites. After there, I go ahead and check on my emails, reply to a few. I reply to Instagram and all other social media platforms. Of course, I have to check my YouTube whether the man has increased. Of course, we have to do that. Now, before I leave you guys, there is a chance of you winning so many prizes, including 42-inch TV, and the only thing you have to do is grab yourself Errands of your favorite, take a picture of it, follow Errands Uganda on Instagram and on other platforms, take a picture of it, post it, and tag Errands Uganda, and of course stand a chance of winning. Now don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. But anyway, hey loves, good morning. So I think today is 27th and I'm glad I've accomplished some of the things that I've had set to accomplish in this month. So today is Thursday 27th, and so it is currently 10 a.m. and I'm going to have breakfast. I'm going to have a long day. I'm going to be moving up and down. I made chapatis at night and that's what I'm going to eat. I also made chicken sauce. That's what I'm going to eat. I'm going to take some juice too, and after I'm going to go out. I'm going to pick my permit. I think I talked about that in the previous vlog. I'm going to pick it. It is ready. I've not faced any challenges with my permit, and fingers crossed, just as we anticipated, God is good. So I'll also be making a video about how to get your permit, the easiest way of getting it, how I used it, and if you need connections, of course I'll give you the connections, don't worry. So another thing that I'm going to be doing today, I have a video that I'm editing. I've just uploaded a video right now. If you've not watched,
baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people